acquaintances are potential friends. Remember that. They're not all going to be your friends, but they could be your friends. You know, you probably think of women you meet as potential sexual partners or potential girlfriends, and yet it's likely you don't think about acquaintances as potential friends. So remember that, because you might be thinking, oh, I don't have friends. Sure, I have a bunch of acquaintances, but they're just acquaintances. Yeah, they're just acquaintances for now. So what you could do is just text a bunch of them, and be like, hey, I'm thinking of going to this bar or to this coffee shop or going hiking or whatever on Saturday, 4 p.m., whatever. Do you want to come? I'm going to invite a bunch of other people too. Feel free to bring more people as well. And then bam, potentially by Saturday, you've got new friends. If for some reason, like, you're probably not doing this, and this might be the easiest way. Like, you already know these people, so you don't even have to go out and meet more people. Just do it.